Hello students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class first for mathematics, and today we are going to solve worksheet 28. And the first question is given. There are 55 students in a class. Due to rains, 22 of them were absent on Tuesday. How many students were present on Tuesday? So there are total 55 students in your class, and due to rains, बारिश के कारण 22 of them were absent. So how many were present? So total students are 55 and 22 were absent. So on subtracting, we can find the number of students who were present on Tuesday. So 5 minus 2, you will get 3. Here 5 minus 2, you will get 3. It means 33 students were present on Tuesday. Question number second is, width of a ground is less than its length by 20 meter. Width of a ground, there is a ground, and for this ground, this is length and this is width. The width is less than its length by 20 meter, and the length is 74 meter. This length is given 74, and this is 20 meter less than this length. So we can find 74 minus 20 to get width of the ground. So 4 minus 0, 4, and 7 minus 2, 5. So answer is 54 meter. Okay students, continue to see the next question number third, and the question is, in a box there are 12 pencils. In a box there are 12 pencils. 7 of them are taken out. उसमें से आपने 7 बाहर निकाल ली. How many pencils are still there inside the box? So total pencils are 12 and 7 are take out. Okay students, so on subtracting, 2 minus 7 not possible, so subtract from this one. This will be 0 and here will be 1. So this number is 12. Now 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay students, next question, and the question is, a shopkeeper had 80 kilogram of sugar. 22 kilogram of sugar got sold. So a shopkeeper had 80 kilogram sugar. एक शॉपकीपर के पास 80 किलोग्राम शुगर थी एंड 22 किलोग्राम ऑफ शुगर गॉट सोल्ड. इतने सेल कर दी. हाउ मेनी किलोग्राम ऑफ शुगर इज स्टिल लाइंग विद द शॉपकीपर? सो टोटल 80 किलोग्राम एंड 22 सोल्ड. रिमेनिंग 0 minus 2 not possible, so borrow from this digit. This will be 7 and here will be 1. It means 10 minus 2, 8. Here 7 minus 2, 5. So 58 kilogram of sugar is still laying with the shopkeeper. Continue next question number 5th, and the question is, Ramu invited 90 persons to dinner, but only 79 could manage to come. How many persons did not come to dinner? So total number of persons 90, and how many come? 79 only. Now subtract this. 0 minus 9 not possible, so subtract, borrow from this digit. This will be 8 and here will be 1. Now 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. So 11 persons did not come to dinner. Continue next question number 6, and the question is, a basket had 84 eggs. 16 of them got broken somehow. How many eggs are still there in the basket? So total number of eggs are 84 and 16 are broken. Remaining, get subtraction. 4 minus 6 not possible, so borrow from this digit. This will be 7, here will be 1. Now 14 minus 6 is 8 and 7 minus 1, 6. So 68 eggs are still there in the basket. The last question number 7th is, Shekhar's father is 70 years old and Shekhar's age is 21 years. What is the difference between the ages of father and son? So age of Shekhar's father is 70 and his son's age is 21. Now subtract these to get the difference between ages. As 0 minus 1 not possible, so borrow from this digit. This will be 6 and here will be 1. Now 10 minus 1, 9, and here 6 minus 2, 4. So the difference in the age is 49 years. Okay students, your worksheet 28 completed. Now you have to write down this solution in your worksheet, and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.